Have you ever wondered how an industrial brick factory could be transformed into an award-winning public space? Well, that's the story of Evergreen Brick Works. Nestled in the heart of Toronto, Evergreen Brick Works is more than just a community space. It's a lush oasis, cradled by heritage buildings and a vibrant ravine. But this wasn't always so. Picture a time when this place echoed with the clatter and clamor of a bustling brick factory. Then came a transformation, a metamorphosis that turned an industrial hub into a testament to human creativity and resilience. This award-winning public space didn't just change in appearance, it embraced sustainability and green design as its core values. Evergreen Brick Works is an impressive example of adaptive reuse, turning what was once a source of waste into a symbol of eco-friendly practices. It proudly wears a lower carbon footprint, not as a badge of honor, but as a commitment to a healthier future. The transformation of Evergreen Brick Works was not just about physical change, it was about embodying sustainability in every aspect. But what does it mean for a site to be sustainable? Let's dive into how Evergreen Brick Works showcases this. The Public Markets Program, for instance, is a boon to local food growers and sellers, reducing transportation emissions by promoting locally grown and sold food. Then there's the historic kiln building. It's not just a relic of the past, it's near carbon neutral, boasting solar thermal technology and a renewable heating and cooling system. And let's not forget about transportation. The site has a bike-friendly infrastructure and TTC service, encouraging visitors to leave their cars at home and opt for active transportation instead. But it doesn't stop there. The Center for Green Cities holds a prestigious Platinum LEED certification, a testament to its sustainability achievements. Look around and you'll see gardens and landscapes flourishing, a deliberate effort to restore ecological integrity and support biodiversity. Evergreen Brick Works is committed to sustainable practices that enhance the quality of life for visitors, workers, and learners. They aim to maintain a near-zero carbon site and have introduced a litter cleanup program. Want to make a difference? There are ways to get involved, including donating and volunteering. Evergreen Brick Works is more than a public space. It's an example of how we can transform our communities for the better, one brick at a time.